Hi Diamond Painters and Crafters. So I am going to be doing an unboxing video from the new release of the Aquarius diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. So stay tuned for that unboxing video and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Okay, Diamond Painters and Crafters, so we are going to be doing an unboxing video of the new Diamond Art Club Aquarius painting. This is a square kit. As you can see, it has the blue square and the blue color, so that means it is square. Now, I don't usually do square, but I just love this picture so much that I'm gonna have to try to do it. I'm not a big fan of square, but some people are. So this is the Aquarius one, so let's jump into this. So I haven't even opened it yet. So we're gonna get into it. If I can cut open the plastic. All right, so as you can see, not even a brand new one. So let's unboxing it. Brand new. So this is the Aquarius one. It is square. It is a 20 by 28 inch one. So pretty big. Again, regular Diamond Art Club box, tells you what it is. So this one I think should have the new kit, but I'm not quite sure. So we will get into that and see. Now these are limited edition, so once they sell out, they will most likely be gone. So if you are thinking about getting it, you might want to jump on it. They do have all 12, what are they called? I just totally forgot. All 12 of them for each month. So you get the small little sticker with it, Aquarius. You get your tool bag. So let's see what's in here. So this is the tool bag. And nope, this is not a new kit. So you get the standard tweezers, bags, and your standard blue thing. So no, this is not a new kit, which is a little sad being that this is a new one, but that's okay, not a new kit. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, the new kits come with a cover minder and washi tape and a different color pen and a different tray and some other goodies with the tray. So this is not a new kit one. So it's a little sad, but that's okay. So I was kind of excited hoping to get one of those, but nope. All right, so let's jump into this canvas. So this is the canvas. So you have your sticker chart right here. Gives you your stickers. There are 39 colors. It is square. You have 4 ABs, which are at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too difficult of colors. And here is your picture. So it does have a lot of pink in the background, which I know a lot of people were complaining about, that they did not like the color blocking. But I'm sitting here thinking that if you don't like the pink, you can add your own colors to it. Like you could do a couple pink rows and then do a couple sparkly rows. You can always customize this background to be what you want it to be. But the clarity of the picture is very simple and easy, and I just loved it. I am an Aquarius. My birthday's in February, so I am an Aquarius, and I love blue and I love water, and this was just an amazing picture, so I decided that I'm going to try it. It might take me a while to get it done, but we're gonna get it done. So here's your colors. So we can take a little look. Again, DAC adds this on here, so if you want to put these somewhere not to get them lost, you can do that knowing that this is that kit. So I don't really want to pull them all out because I'm not quite ready to do this, but just to give you an idea of how many colors are in here, it's this many pink. So this pink is a 963, and you have like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of these. And I do believe these are their new drills. I could be wrong on that. but I'm pretty sure that these squares might be their new drills, and I really don't know the difference between the new drills and the old drills, but I think somebody was talking about the new drills are all shaped the same way, where the other drills were all shaped differently. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a square fan, but you do have AV. I see the blue sparkly AV. You have a brownish AV. You have a, I don't know what other color AV. Oh, like a pinkish, like pink right here AV, and another one. So just to give you an idea about where the AVs are. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's a couple of 3s spread out through around here. There's a bunch right here and a bunch right here of the 3s. You have the 2s, which are a few here, a lot of 3s here. You have 4s, which I think are right here in the bottle. So a couple 4s in the color bottle and a couple in her hair. So that should be pretty. And then you have 1. So 1 again is in the bottle. Might be a couple some other places because it's a really light blue color. So as you can see, it's very clear and a very pretty picture. Everything is good. So if you think you might want to get this painting, you better jump on it because it is a limited edition. Please like my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe.